Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about something very interesting topic, that is about Apple Store. Finally, finally we have Apple Store available in India. It was huge decades we have been waiting for Apple Store available in India. We all know that it is available in other countries. Name it anywhere out of India. US, Singapore, Australia, Brazil, etc. Anyone for individual purpose, business purpose, people can just go online and just configure your requirement. No need to depend on anyone. No Amazon, no Flipkart, nothing, no resellers. Just yourself. You know your need, just go configure your specifications, place order, get home delivery. Finally, now we have in India. So this is starting from 23rd September 2020, this month. It started available on apple.com. You can log in and you can start ordering your favorite Apple devices. So let's go through the website and see how to order. Are you ready? Let's take a look. So go to apple.com. You can go to apple.co.in. But apple.com is a primary server. So just you can go there and you can just select continue on this, where you can see India. So here you can see Apple Store Online is now open for India. So you can just start ordering what you need by your own specification configuration. Starting with Mac, let's have a look. So if you come to Mac, you have a lot of varieties here, starting with Mac Air, MacBook Pro 13-inch, 16-inch, iMac, new version, iMac Pro, Mac Mini, and we have Pro Display, XDR, accessories, and finally Catalina, where you can look at all the OS versions there, Mac OS. So let's start with my favorite model, MacBook Pro 16-inch. So till date in my profession, always I was just dependent on reseller. Whatever the normal model available in India was just available to delivery within 4 weeks. Always we had to wait 8 weeks to configure more specifications, so which has to be purchasing USD. So no more you need to wait. But later 2020 or 2019 late, I remember that there was availability of all the models, kind of 32 GB RAM also available in INR, but still you have to buy it via resellers or Apple Store. So now just go here, select what you would like to buy, just go to buy. You can see again two different models here. 13-inch and 16-inch. Under that we have again two different colors, space gray, silver. So my favorite color is space gray. So here the default configuration with Apple is 2.3 GHz, 8 core processor, 1 TB RAM, AMD Radeon Pro 5500 AM model. Then we have Turbo Boost with up to 4.8 GHz, 16 GB RAM, comes with 2666 MHz DDR4 RAM memory. We have 1 TB storage, which is normally available in all the stores. Same thing, you just can online order if there is a normal requirement for it. If you feel that you need more configuration, then just select. Once you select, it will redirect to the page where you can customize. So here is where you go. So finally, there is a higher specifications available for this model is 2.4 GHz, 8th core, 9th generation, i9, Turbo Boost up to 5 GHz. Then you can configure up to 64 GB. You can see if it is 16 GB, then there is no cost. Similarly, if it is 2.3 GHz, the cost is almost 239,900. But if you select 2.4 GHz, then you have 20,000 more, which is now 259,900. Similarly, now you start go on configuration, you have like 40,000 added to 99,900, then 64 GB, total almost 80,000. It's not 80,000. I think it's about almost Yeah, it's 80,000 for 64 GB. This comes to 3,39,000. And then you have configuration of graphics card, which comes default AMD Radeon Pro 500 5500 M with 4 GB of GDDR6 memory. But you can select up to 5600M with 8 GB HBM2 memory, which is the very higher version. So this is required for all video editing or studio purpose only. You can have a look and see. And finally, you can configure up to 8 TB SSD. Wow, 8 TB. It's almost 2,20,000 addition, which will the cost of a new laptop, which is coming almost 5,59,900. I hope no one will buy, but still, if there's a requirement, yes, you can go and buy. Maximum 1 TB is really good enough, or max 2 TB. You can go ahead, and then you can see all the EMI which is provided by Apple default. For this configuration, selected with 2.4 gigahertz, 64 GB, and normal AMD Radeon 1 TB, and then no software pre-installed. But yes, you can select. But same price, you can buy it on Apple store also, App Store also. So for this cost is coming 40,400. So if you feel almost, I think this is a 6 months to 9 months EMI, I think. And the delivery date for now, if you place order today, from there it's taking almost 25 days maximum, I think. Yeah, 25 days, almost 25 days it takes, because yeah, I feel it is now they started manufacturing in India. And then you can look at the EMIs. The default EMI, as we know, Apple was always HDFC Bank. So you get 6% cashback up to 10,000 on all orders over 20,000 and 100. Yeah, anything you buy from Apple except accessories, for sure it's more than 20,000. So you can get. So the good amount is you can get a cashback deposited in just 5 to 7 days. So available on all HDFC debit cards, sorry, credit cards, and there's a separate card like EMI credit card also, and one order on one card. Yes, so they will make sure that everyone is getting this available. The offers. Then you have offer ending. This is almost 16 September. I think after this, I don't know what is the offer coming on. But let's have a look on what's in the box. So in the box, this is what defaultly it comes: laptop, USB cable 2 meters Type C to Type C, then 96 watts USB-C power adapter. So let's add it to bag and see what is next steps look like. So then you have USB-C lightning cable, which is required addition. Maybe you can add to bag. Then you have leather sleeves. So you can review a bag before you can finalize whether you want to add something else. So maybe you can look at other accessories and devices later on. So if you feel nothing is required, you can just say review bag. Yes. So finally, you are on checkout page. So once you put the pin code, it shows estimated delivery date from Apple, which will be contactless. Directly, you have to just pay. I think there is no cash on delivery orders or pay on delivery. You have to just pre-order. You can look at finally to see what exactly you have been ordered, so that you don't feel confusion. So once you check out, so here is what you can input all your credit card details after logging to Apple customers. If they are existing customer, returning customer, just have it. Or if you have to just log out as guest, no need to create. Just click on continue as guest. So you can make a note, or take a screenshot immediately and continue to shipping address. All this done, continue to payment. Then finally you are done with the order, and just you have to track it. Tracking is very easy. So once you look at, click on chat now. Here you can follow up on order histories. So you have like multiple options to have a chat before what you would like to, that you want to visit Apple support or you want to order help. So if you want to click order help, it redirects to and ask for order number. So once you have order number and email address, which is registered while checkout or logged in, then I have to just click on that and continue. Then you have all the details, and also you can log in, uh, log a call to the number provided here and talk to executive. So now quickly let's take a look at other devices like iPad. Basically, people always like to buy iPad, but they were confused what to buy, where to buy, and all. So now just go here. You have multiple iPads. Now recently they have released iPad Pro, iPad Air, which is most similar look of iPad Pro, which is like my favorite design. I hope everyone liked that. So you can have all the details here. It's feel that it's slow on internet. So your iPad Pro, iPad Mini, everything. Just go click on buy. Just click on iPad Pro and buy and see what's there. So you have option to select model 11 inch, 12.9 inch, then color. 12.9 inch will be very high, very big. I feel for professional 11 inch is good enough. So then you can select color and then coming to storage. Wow, again you have up to 1 TB. It's really cool. Then you have with Wi-Fi plus cellular. Total cost is coming almost 1,40,000 and yes, now this is plus point where you can add Apple Care Plus. Apple Care Plus started in India now, so which is very good. Maybe I'll do a video what is Apple Care Plus to understand more. So you can just add to bag and then continue reviewing. So let's look at finally accessories, Mac accessories, what you can buy instead of on Amazon or e-commerce websites or local stores. You can buy leather sleeve, you can buy Pro XDR, the monitor, which is very costly. And then you can start with all the original genuine accessories. Always people had a doubt, whether I buy it on Amazon, whether I get a genuine product, whether I buy it on a local, whether it's a genuine product. Now just place the order on apple.com, then you are like getting a genuine product. So you have like magic keyboard with two colors, magic mouse with two colors, then you have magic trackpad, you have AirPods, everything. Hope you like the video. Please watch full and share your comments and feedbacks below. Also, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Link provided in description. Thank you. Until we meet in next video. Take care. Bye bye. Signing off. This is your Gagan KR. Thank you.